morning, students. How are you all doing? I hope you all are fine. Now you will be wondering, who is this? I am your new English teacher. I am the teacher for 8th standard. From now onwards, you won't have any doubt in your English lessons. I will be clearing everything for you. So do you love English? I love English so much. I guess if you learn it in the proper sense and proper way, you will love it like me. So I will teach you all the pronunciations, all the grammars in a simple way. So it will be very interesting for you. Let me introduce our textbook. We have 3 units in it. The first unit is hues and views. What is hue? What is the meaning of hue? You don't know? It is color. So it is a synonym of color. So hues and view. So do you have any idea about the unit? Yeah, it's about painting, it's about colors, it's about artists. So what is our first chapter? The mysterious picture. So you got an idea. It's about a picture. An artist who drew a picture which is a mysterious picture. So do you know what is mysterious? There is a secret behind it. That is the meaning of mysterious. Nobody knew what is the secret. We are going to find it. Before going to the chapter, let me introduce you to our author. What's his name? Charles de Costa. Charles de Costa. He is the father of Belgian literature and he was born in Munich. His masterpiece is The Legend of Till Eulenspiegel and Lemme Godzak. But this classic was not popular in Belgium. Why? Because it was not up to their standard of nationalism. But this classic got famous all over the world. Everybody started reading it and now we have it in our textbook to learn. Shall we go to the chapter? So, our first unit is hues and views and we have 2 prose and 2 poems in it. The first prose is The Mysterious Picture. If you have your textbook with you or you have the PDF with you, please take that. I'll start reading and you can look into the book. Shall we start? Okay. Till, in the course of his wanderings from court to court, rode to the palace of the Archduke of Battenberg on his donkey. His clothes and appearance attracted everyone's attention. His cap was set smartly on his head and the 3 bright feathers on it danced in the breeze as he rode. At the main entrance to the palace, the captain of the guards called out to him, "Hey there, you fellow on the donkey, we don't allow any loafers here. You and your donkey already look like skeleton." Do you understand? Yeah, it's pretty simple, but we have some new words there. Shall we see the meaning of that? Then only you will get the whole meaning of the chapter. So we'll go to the new words first. The first word is wander. We have the word wanderer in our chapter. Wanderer means a person who wanders. So what is wander? To walk here and there for no reason. So this is a person who walks here, there and everywhere. He has no special interest, no any intention also. So that is wandering. And the second word is archduke. What is duke? You don't know? Duke means emperor or king. So archduke means the king or the emperor of Austria. So that is the second word. Now let's see the third word. It's loafer. Loafer means a person who is lost. Lost means we'll consider him as a loser, but he may not be a loser necessarily. Okay, so that is a loafer. These are the 3 new words in our chapter. Now you got the meaning of all the new words. We are going to the chapter. I'll tell you it in a story mode. So we begin here. Till, in the course of his wandering from court to court, rode to the palace of the Archduke of Battenberg on his donkey. So our main character is Till. So he is a person who is a wanderer. He wanders here and there for no reason. So he is going to the Archduke of Battenberg. That is the place. And he is going to meet the king there. So that is the introduction. That is the first line. We'll go to the next one. His clothes and appearance attracted everyone's attention. So he is going on a donkey. He is riding on a donkey and he has his clothes very attractive clothes. So everybody's attention was going on to his clothes. His cap was set smartly on his head and the 3 bright feathers on it danced in the breeze as he rode. So there were 3 feathers on his cap. It was set there. And these feathers were dancing in the breeze. So all of them were looking at that feathers. At the main entrance to the palace, the captain of the guards called out to him, "Hey there, you fellow on the donkey. We don't allow any loafers here." So when he reached the entrance of the palace, there was the captain standing, and he was standing there and he is calling, "Hey, you fellow on the donkey." So he was on the donkey. And this captain is saying, "We don't allow any loafers inside." What is that? We don't allow any losers inside. "You and your donkey already look like skeleton." The captain is saying, "Both of you look like skeleton," because they were very slim. They were not eating properly and they look like skeleton. Now we'll go to the second paragraph. So what do you understand from the first paragraph? Yeah, we have our main character Till. He was riding on his donkey to meet the Archduke of Battenberg. That is the king of Battenberg. So he was riding with his donkey, on his donkey, and he reached the entrance of the palace. There stands who? Yes, the captain. And the captain was there, and did he permit him inside? No. What did he say? He said, "We don't allow any losers inside." So, what did he say? "You look like skeleton." Yeah, he was body shaming. And why was it? Because he wasn't eating well. So this is the whole story of the first paragraph. Now shall we go to the second paragraph? The captain of the guards was a tall, well-built, red-haired man of about 25. He was handsomely dressed in his gold-braided uniform. Ty looked at him coolly and then dismounted from his donkey. He bowed low and said, "May God bless you, sir, captain. If I look like a skeleton, it's not my fault. I'm very hungry. I have come here because I'm forced to. If you will be so good as to give me a piece of the gold cord that you wear on your coat, I'll go and hang myself by the teeth on that large leg of mutton that I see hanging in that butcher's shop." So let's see the new words in our second paragraph. Dismount. What is dismount? So I'll give you a simple tip to remember that. What is mounting? Yeah, it is in high position. So what do? We mount it, we climb it. So dismount means we are climbing it down. That means we are getting it off. So that is dismount. And the second word is butcher. It is pronounced as butcher. So what is butcher? It's a person who sells meat. Meat means every kind of meat. There will be chicken, there will be mutton, there will be beef, everything. So that is butcher. So we'll go to the second paragraph. I'll read line by line and we'll explain. The captain of the guards was a tall, well-built, red-haired man of about 25. So the captain, we saw the captain, right? So he is a man of 25 years. He is a well-built man. What is well-built? So he has a good body, a muscular body that is well-built. So he was handsomely dressed in his gold-braided uniform. So he has this uniform, it was gold-braided. It was having some threads here and there in gold, pure gold it is. Ty looked at him coolly and then dismounted from his donkey. So Ty looked at this captain and he dismounted from the donkey. That means he got off from the donkey. He bowed low and said, "May God bless you, sir captain. If I look like a skeleton, it's not my fault." So he's saying, "May God bless you." He's bowing. What is bowing? We do bow in front of the God, right? We bow. That is bowing. So he bowed in front of the captain and he said, "May God bless you, captain." Then he's saying, "If I'm looking like a skeleton, it is not my fault. I'm very hungry. I have come here because I'm forced to." He's saying he's very hungry and he came here not because he wanted to, but he was forced to. He was compelled. "If you will be so good as to give me a piece of the gold cord that you wear on your coat, I'll go and hang myself by the teeth on that large leg of mutton that I see hanging in that butcher's shop. So he's saying, if you can give me a piece of cord from the gold on your uniform, I can go to the butcher's shop and I can hang my teeth on the mutton. What is the meaning of hanging the teeth on mutton? That means he can give this cord and he can buy the money from somewhere. He can give the money to the butcher's shop. He can buy some meat and he can have it. That is the meaning of hanging the teeth on mutton. So that is our second paragraph. I'll explain it once again. So here we can see the captain standing there, a person well built in 25 years old. So he's standing there and he has this uniform with golden cords on it. So Till came to him, then he dismounted from the donkey, he bowed and he said, God bless you, captain. And he says he's hungry and he's looking skeleton because he didn't get food from anywhere. If the captain can give him a golden cord which is on the uniform, he can go to the butcher's shop and buy some mutton and eat it, so that he won't be hungry anymore. So that is the whole thing in the second paragraph. Shall we go to the next paragraph? The captain was playing a game of chess with another officer. He looked curiously at Till. Where do you come from? He asked. So I'll tell you the meaning of each sentence. The captain was playing a game of chess with another officer. So we have this captain, 25 years old, well-built body. So he is playing chess with another officer there. He looked curiously at Till. He looked curiously at Till. What is curiously? That means he's having some intuitions inside. Who is this person? And he's looking like that. Where do you come from? He asked. So the officer, that means the captain, is asking to Till, where do you come from? Yeah, do you want to know where does he come from? I'll tell you that in the next class. I'll tell you where does he come from, why does he come here, what he has in his hands, everything in the next class. I'll see you then. Thank you, students, for listening.